is my Coca-Cola Stranger Things collab box for Stranger Things 3. It contains a couple new Cokes, so we'll get to try that, which is going to be interesting since I was born in the late 90s, never really got to try it. This is a first for me, so bear with me as we get into unboxing this. I got this from coca-colastore.com, and you can get one yourself because surprisingly they are not sold out. Get them while you can, and it is sure to be something a little bit fun for you to try yourself if you haven't tried new Coke before. Alright, let's get into it. Let's see what's inside. I will say, the way they shipped this kind of bothers me a little bit because they shipped it in the collector's box. As you can see, the shipping label's on the side. Kind of annoying because it got a little bit beat up in shipping. Inside, they packaged it pretty nicely. They had these little foam things to keep it safe and take these out. Alright, so there are 2 new Cokes. They have the Stranger Things logo on them. And then we have an original Coca-Cola with the Stranger Things logo, as well as a Coke Zero with the Stranger Things branding on it. There it is, everything that we got in this box. 2 12-ounce cans of new Coke and 2 glass 8-ounce Coca-Colas, 1 regular, 1 zero, and they both got that Stranger Things logo on there. That is super cool, as you can see with the Stranger Things logo, and underneath they are actually numbered. Didn't really expect that. Limited edition 24,526 out of 175,000. So it is limited edition, but not that limited. And then this one is 28,092 of 175 again. So they're only making 175,000 of these. Not sure if you can read that, but it does say, enjoy this limited edition 1985 can in celebration of Stranger Things 3. So I'm going to pop a couple, I think we're going to save one of them. So I'm going to put one of these in the fridge and get it nice and cold, and we will try that later. Okay. Jake is home from work. We got our new Coke nice and chilled. Let's try it.
Tastes like Coke. Oh yeah.
It isn't actually from 1985, but the recipe is taken from 1985, so it just tastes like...
Older.
Just tastes slightly sweeter than normal Coke to me.
Not bad though.
Alright. Thank you for watching. Follow along if you'd like to see more of our adventures. See you next time.